Okay, these are the fans that I purchased through Amazon, and they are awesome. As you see, I have an enclosed patio, and I'm not able to put fans from the ceiling because of the weakness of my roof. So I purchased these fans. I was able to put them right onto the frame of my wall. On this side is actually on my door frame, and I was able to tip it to any position. And we're gonna come across my patio now here, and there you see the second fan, and this one is attached actually right to my house wall outside. And they have various speeds, and on high they are super fast and give plenty of air. And I use it dual because my patio, as you see, is very long, and I want to cover each spot that it will be able to hit my guests or ourselves in the while we watching TV and hosting friends over. They are easy to put up, depending what kind of texture you have in your house. If it's wood frame, concrete, you'll find a way. If you can, you could probably just use the framing of your doors, which would be much easier to hang up. I don't have any negative things to say about it. So far, so good. And they withstand already a couple of rainstorms that we had, even though I really don't get a lot of rainwater inside my patio. But when it does rain sideways, it did reach the fans, but no problem. They just kept on working. I hope this video helps anybody that wants to purchase these. It's a great purchase, great price. I looked all around for different options that I had, and these were perfect.
So I bought this metal canopy from Amazon. Put it together myself. Bought Christmas lights from I don't know where. Bought 2 fans to go inside, hung them inside. Attached the cords with magnetic clips that I also bought on Amazon. Plugged those into my magnetic strip that I bought on Amazon. Threw a cord down through there and then through the wall with under that little thing and then into the wall. This is the coolest place to hang out, and it's super cool, and the dogs love it, we all love it. But these fans hang here perfectly, and they're so quiet and they just put off so much air. This was amazing. It was seriously the best buy ever.
We've seen these fans on a previous review for this canopy, and the lady that posted this, oh my god, she such an angel. I swear, she saved us, because this under this canopy is hot. Both fans work fantastic. This also have a remote control for off. Well, we installed this little doohickey thing and connect them together, and there's a remote that goes off and on for them, and yeah, they work fantastic. And this is a lower setting, and they go very good.
Alexa, turn on fan 1. These things work great.
That's on high. Noise level, I can say 2 out of 10. It's great. It's just an amazing product.